Stay tuned because today we're going to talk about the 2022 Indian Super Chief. It's finally here. We finally got it uncrated. It took about 6 months to actually get it in. But anyway, today is all about the 2022 Indian Super Chief. And one of the things that you can see, it comes nicely equipped, standard with a nice big, tall windshield. So if you're a big guy like me, it'll definitely deflect a lot of the wind off your silhouette and off your body. Plenty of protection. But if you don't want the windshield on there, it's a quick release. You can just easily snap it off. And it's got nice chunky tires in the front, so if you do have riding in a rough terrain, it's actually nice. It makes it a little bit more plush. And I love how the fact that this bike does come standard with a 111 motor in it. It is a 6-speed air cooled bike. It's got plenty of power for what you're trying to do, and why not? It's got awesome floorboards, very comfortable, and you can change those out if need be, but I'm not going to get too much into the accessory side of it. And I love the fact that the exhaust on this bike is very different from the other Indians. It's all on the right side of the actual bike, dual exhaust. It sounds amazingly well. And one thing to notice to it, the leather bags that come with it, it's standard. It's actually quite nice. The passenger seat, the passenger foot pegs if need be. So it already comes standard as a 2-up. And one of the things too, if you want a powerful bike but not too heavy like the Springfield or something like that, this is definitely to look at something into. One thing that's extremely nice about this bike too, it's got a low seat height, just a little bit over 26 inches. So if you're looking for something a little bit more powerful than a Scout, this is probably definitely the one for you. And there it goes, a little bit more of the badge, and you can lock the bags up with the actual strap or the buckle itself. And the controls on this bike is very, very easy to access. It's got electronic cruise control, just to roll the throttle body forward to deactivate. And plenty of power, different riding modes as well. This is the Super Chief, and like I said, we finally got it in. This bike is not going to be here that long. It's got the nice LED lights up front, but I'll tell you what, it's beautiful visibility at nighttime if need be, and you can get more lights if need be as well. But you guys definitely need to check this bike out. Bell County Motorworks here in Temple.